Does this sound right to you? Let me explain why it's doing that. Let's make sure we disconnect the power. All right. Get the 5/16 bit, drill, and a long extension. That way we can actually reach those screws. Oh, and they're rusted. That is gonna be amazing. Oh, that one came out. If you can't get all the screws out, no problem. Carry a little crowbar with you, or just use your flathead. We're gonna pry it out of there. Almost there. We almost got it. Take this piece off, get your flathead screwdriver, and you want to put that flathead right here in between this side of the wheel and pop it out of there. There we go. Remember to take your pressure switch out of the way, get the wires out of the way. Now we should be able to take this out. Look at that. Oh yeah, needs to be replaced. Still spins, but stops. We got a new motor. Look at that. That looks good. We got a new gasket. Gotta have that. And then we don't need to reuse these screws. We need new ones. New inducer motor assembly installed with new screws, pressure switch back in place. Couple tips: make sure you take this tube off of this port and put something through that port. Make sure it's cleaned out. Make sure it's not stopped up. Make sure you take out the flame sensor. Make sure you clean the flame sensor. Very easy to take out. There it is. Clean it, put it back in there. Make sure you clean the burners. Make sure that the carryover track is clean. You want to learn more about packaged gas units, gas furnaces, and troubleshooting, I'll link a video to this one. All right, plugging in the disconnect. Now let's do another sound check. Woo, that's smooth.